this video I'm going to talk to you about how to use your voice so that the person that's watching you really feels what you are saying. Hello, my name is Fredrik. I'm a rapid video marketer. I believe that if you are confident and comfortable in front of the camera, you don't need that much equipment. You can create a lot of videos and you can do it really fast. If you want to learn more, subscribe to the channel or visit rapidvideomarketer.com. Now, how should you use your voice to really stand out and make the viewer that she or he feels what you're really saying? Well, if you were standing right beside me now, you would look at me and thought that I was a little bit strange, because I'm using my voice maybe 20-30% more than I use when I have a normal conversation. And that's the key. You just need to raise your voice a little bit more. So because when you later on watch the video you have been recorded, you realize that this sounds normal. If you do it a little bit too much like this, you will also feel that that is too much. You just need to raise it like 20-30%. I always say that you can imagine standing on a stage, you're talking to a bunch of teenagers that are tired, they are not interested. You need to get their attention, and you do that by raising your voice. You are on a stage. I mean, maybe there is 4-5 meters between you, so you need to talk clear and you need to raise your voice. And if you try this, it maybe feel awkward at first, but when you watch yourself on video later on, you will feel that, okay, this sounds pretty good. So that's my tip for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. If you want to be a rapid video marketer where confident and being comfortable on camera is the main focus for you, please visit rapidvideomarketer.com and I teach you even more. Until next time, bye.